Did you know that you can create killer thumbnails for your YouTube videos even if you are a complete newbie? Oh yeah. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. Let's begin. We are going to be using Canva for this tutorial. And we are going to use these 3 steps to guide us during each illustration. For our first illustration, we are going to use how to elevate your style as our text. So our background image will have to be something related to that. Once you are on the Canva homepage, go to YouTube thumbnail. Canva has already made templates you can choose from. Just scroll through and choose one you like. Choose one that has the kind of style you are going for. I think I will go with this one. Note that you can select each element on this template individually. This means that we are able to move different elements around and change them to make our own unique design. Now we will select and delete this image so that we can replace it with our own. For our image, we will go to Elements, then Photos. Once in Photos, you can type anything you want into the search bar, and Canva will bring you photos related to that topic. We will scroll through and find one that works well with our design, both in terms of color and style. I think I will go with this one. Here, we just have to place our image onto the frame and it will get in place. To edit the text, we have to just click on it, then type in our own text. We will adjust it till it's in the right place. We will go back to Elements, then Shapes, and select this rounded rectangle. Then we will adjust and push it behind our text. To push an element backwards, go to Position, then select Back or Backwards. Here you can try out different colors on both the text and the rectangle, to see which one will work best for your design. These are our final two, we can use either of them as our thumbnail. For illustration number 2, we are going to open a new page and design a thumbnail from scratch. Then we'll go back to Photos and pick our background image. Now we'll go to Elements, then Graphics, and pick this image. We are going to use only part of it, so I'll crop it. Now let's insert our text. To do that, we'll go to Text and select Heading. Now we'll try to match the image and background colors. And that's our second thumbnail. For our third illustration, our text will be Grow Your Money Fast. We'll open a new page and start designing. Now we'll go back to Photos and choose a relevant image for our background. On this one, we are going to set our image as the background. For this illustration, we are going to use one of the Canva already made text templates. We'll edit the template and type in our own text. Now we'll go to Effects and select this hollow text effect. This is our final design, but I'm going to duplicate it and make a slightly different version of it. So with this detailed tutorial, I hope you will be able to design your own thumbnails even if you are a complete newbie and have no design knowledge. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Watch my video on how to correctly upload your first video to YouTube now that you have the right thumbnail for it. See you in my next video.